Hey, it's Randy and Bob, and we want to welcome the team.
No, it's Bob and Randy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, it's Bob and Randy. We see it's his computer. He's controlling the mouse.
Left to right, Bob and Randy.
Whatever. Anyway, we want to welcome the team. This is our video. We want to tell you about something new. Bob?
Hey!
It's your turn now.
It's the holidays, and we haven't been able to stay in touch with you guys.
And gals.
And gals. Whatever. And animals. Look, this email is going out to you however you're getting a link to this video. There's something that's a huge opportunity right now that you should take advantage of. I was fortunate enough to meet up with the founder of the company, who is a billionaire, and he's the president, CEO, and founder. The company's over 10 years old. It's big in Europe and Asia. He's a major real estate developer in Dubai, if you know what Dubai is. Mm-hmm. And he's brought this program over to the United States, which is the largest consumer nation in the world. We buy stuff just because we want to buy. I mean, how many times you go into a store like Walmart or Target or Best Buy, and for that one item, or even a grocery store, and you come out with more stuff than you wanted. You didn't even plan on buying. Mm-hmm. So that's just the way the people in the United States are. So this program is going to be huge for the United States. It's just now infiltrated here. It now has over 4,000 retailers. Now, what is it? It's all about getting cash back. Now, for you personally, this is a great opportunity for you to do the same shopping, just like I bought this Christmas tree at Walmart, and I bought it online using our portal, our program, and our web internet tool. And I went to Walmart.com. I bought the tree and the decorations and my Santa outfit for the videos I'm doing, if you've seen them, and I got cash back. And I could have had it delivered to the house, but I wanted it right away, so I ordered it online, went down to the store and picked it up. I also ordered something from Best Buy. I went down and picked it up like 2 hours later. And the difference, I paid exactly the same, whether it be a sale price or anything else, but I got cash back from the same purchase that I wouldn't have got cash back. And this is an opportunity for you to earn some little extra money back from your shopping. They could help pay the credit card bill that comes due in January. Or the best part, and what we want to share with you, is a way that you can earn some additional income. Now, the cashback program, you can get started for free. And Randy's got a link over on his page at randyshow.com/Santa. And that's to keep him separate from the radio business that he's in, and also separate from the Beachbody business, because we want to kind of focus on this for the holidays. Now, this is how it works. You can sign up for a free account with that link over on Randy's page that talks about it, and sign up for a free account, and you can immediately get cash back from your purchases. But they're going to be small cash back, because the free account's like an intro to get you knowledgeable and see what it's all about, where you can also see the over 4,000 retailers like Target, Walmart, Apple Computers, Best Buy,
Nordstrom, Macy's,
See's Candies, all kinds of business. It's just amazing. Over 4,000 retailers that you can order from. Auto parts store, travel companies,
insurance,
like
telecoms.
Telecoms. Just so many things. Now, the best part is there's a program called a VIP. Now, that's the only two you want to be interested in. The free is so you could see what it's all about. Ignore the Prime, and then consider the VIP. Now, the VIP will cost you $99 for the year. But here's the advantage. You get a bigger discount, huge discount. It's like 6% more than what the free would give you, and even more, but basically an average 6% more. And then on top of that, you can earn referrals. Just like Randy is referring this out to you guys, he will make $20 for every one of you that sign up as a VIP. Now, that's beautiful, because the beauty of it is that you sign up as a VIP, you will get $20 for everybody you tell about. Now, think about it. Who doesn't want cash back? Right?
Exactly.
Randy likes cash back.
I love it.
So you sign up as a VIP. You refer to your family, your brothers, sisters, mothers, friends that you know. You share it on Facebook. You share it with your enemies, whatever. And everybody that signs up as a VIP, you will get a $20 referral fee, just like you would from a gym or from Costco or somebody else that gives referral fees out for recommending customers to them. And if you got 100 people, that would give you $2,000 spending cash for Christmas.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
So imagine getting 1,000 people. Now, this is not just for the holidays. This is year-round.
Mhm.
But right now, the holiday season's the biggie.
Yeah.
So we wanted to share this with you. And on top of that, if you're interested in working a business, I mean, seriously working a business, there's a business opportunity to where you can make $45 for everyone you bring into the program. And an additional, you can make $25 for everybody else that comes in. So let's say, for example, I sign up Randy. I get $45 because I'm a business associate. And he goes out and he signs up somebody, gets, shares it, and they sign up as a VIP. He gets $20. I get 25 on that. So if he goes out and signs up 100 people, and say he signs up Paula finds 100 people, and Paula signs up Maribel, and Maribel finds 100 people. So there's 100, 200, 300 people that I will get $25 on.
Yeah. It's
Pretty
unlimited.
cool.
Yeah, it's unlimited.
So think about that. And if it could build up. I mean, I've got friends in this business right now. Like I said, I met the billionaire owner a few weeks ago, and I've got friends in this business that are making thousands of dollars a day off of the referrals because it's going viral. This is huge. This is an amazing opportunity to get involved in. It only costs $99 to get the VIP, and if you want to become a business associate, you can start out as a business associate for another $99. And that will get you the $45 for every sign up you do, plus the $25 for everybody that comes in that bottom line underneath them. Huge opportunity. If you got any questions, feel free to contact us. But go over to the website,
randyshow.com/Santa. That's randyshow.com/Santa.
Yeah, and sign up for a free account today.
Yeah.
Just do it before you do any other shopping. Remember, keep in mind, yes, there's all these sales going on for the holidays, but all those sales are online too. So if you're going to Best Buy or Walmart, that same item that's on sale at the store will be on sale online. And you don't have to stand out in the cold or fight crowds or anything else. You can stay at home on the computer, order it, and go pick it up a couple of days later.
And the variety of these stores is just amazing. I mean, you go in, and no offense to Walmart, but you go in for the low-end stuff like Walmart to, the high-class stuff like Nordstrom's, and Apple never, ever gives discounts. And you can actually buy an iPhone or an Apple computer and get cash back. They never, ever do that. If you're an Apple person, you know this. So take advantage of this. Even if you just get the free account, you're going to be saving yourself some money and getting that cash back for the holidays. So please go to randyshow.com/Santa. If you have any questions, call me, call Bob, email us, get in touch with us now, but don't wait any longer. You're just throwing cash away if you don't sign up for at least the free account. randyshow.com/Santa. And happy holidays, everybody.
Yeah, happy holidays and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.